This is quickly becoming a thing of the past. Now you don't even have to leave your house to get a burger. Instead, it'll come straight to your door.
How was the food? Hot and still?
Yep, absolutely. Same as if I'd come to pick it up myself.
McDonald's has upsized its home delivery service across the nation. In more than 50 Sydney suburbs, you can simply jump online, scroll through the menu and order a feed, ready to eat within half an hour. Retail experts say it's a lifeline for the struggling fast food giants.
They've got increased competition, much more health awareness from consumers. Increasingly, we're seeing that their market share is starting to decline. The numbers aren't quite what they were, and they're really looking at new ways to innovate and grow.
Red Rooster launched its first home delivery service here in this Western Sydney store last year. It's since been expanded to 4 other stores across New South Wales, and the feedback's been great.
Yeah, I think it's a brilliant idea. Hey, I'm all about the chicken.
We don't have to take out all that very often, but every now and again it's good, and it's good to have it home delivered. So I'm very happy about it.
Nutritionists disagree, but say this is nothing new.
We've got delivery of services like pizza and other high-calorie foods, so it's really a time where consumers are going to have to take personal responsibility for their own food choices.
McDonald's says this is just another way of meeting their customers' needs. Hannah Maguire, 10 Eyewitness News.